She said,
yeah, I try to
you know some people funny.
What, you was encouraging her to file for him?
No, no, me just was saying.
Cuz!
What's going
Hi.
on?
Hello.
Just come in.
Can I do a relaxer now?
No, no, do I here? I do I here?
Or should I get a relaxer?
Yes.
Oh.
Me walk go down the road and come back. When me come back?
Alright.
It's mad.
I want my hair washed right now. But I threw me go in the water. That's much data to you know.
Oh,
Do a project over here though. No. Yeah, cuz. Dangerous youth.
You know what? Sorry, done.
You're done Rasta now, man.
I want to, man.
Good.
Good, man.
everything good?
Yeah.
You look slim and trim, man.
You slim?
You
Yeah, man, take off your belly, man. You know no belly.
Yeah, take off the belly.
We're not gonna.
Don't
But you look burn up though.
I go by what's the name of sir,
some
by?
bun me up down
They
there.
sell for tick wash.
Which way?
Chota.
Chota.
Alright, man.
Yeah, we soon come.
Alright.
Alright. Oh, yeah, come.
No, what's up?
Oh. Oh, yeah, come sure that's alright.
That's a trooper, man. That's one of the son.
Cancel. Everywhere. But that don't never come over me. Come over for me. Can't yet. When I time on the field,
Yeah, me go up there.
the past.
Mm-hmm.
The green one.
The green one?
But he say, man, Obia man has gone to him. So when he ready now, no have to say, up here do all sort of manner of evil. So he always carry ice.
Control on him.
Push up the ice.
And the woman scared. The time the woman husband dead, you know. And the woman scared and the woman end up a relationship with him, married to him. And then turn the woman house in a Hobia place.
Oh my goodness,
A
really?
weekend car where I couldn't get so people from all boat, you know, in a car park up here. So
Really?
they couldn't ask to come see him.
The Lawrence?
Me not forget,
Really?
You know, from there, you know, see people park up, you know, and come to come
People
talk
bury
to
over there, so in a shower, but a tree one clean up.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
So it's like a cemetery?
Yeah, it's a cemetery, sharp cemetery.
Sharp
Yeah,
cemetery?
if you workers, when the workers them died,
Yeah.
or if you not have nowhere to
Yeah.
bury, you can bury them.
Oh,
Shop
wow.
them really stand up for
Stood up. They're making millions of dollars in profits. And our ancestors worked for them for free. And built their wealth. No, them I give you a little penance for help them. Your grandfather get piece of land.
No, buy.
I buy from them.
My grandmother on the top cause so they rob him and thief him.
Oh my gosh.
Every day she talk about it, how the shop them work, the shop them thing.
So what you said the one where I run it now name again? Hello. Garden Sharp. And he's in his 80s. I wonder if there's another generation. Wow. You hear that, people? You said them are who? Maki? Oh, Mackay. Oh, yeah, Mackay. As in Claude Mackay, right, yeah. He was a great American poet.
You know, so my father used to carry me go up there for them, not them. Up at James Hill, he used to carry me go to him, used to work with them, connect with them, live with them.
Mother used to work with them too. Mother usually worked on this.
But the Mackays were black people?
Yeah, man, very black.
But they were majority land owners?
Dark skin.
And they also owned a lot of land here.
Yeah, back there's back that way. The shop is.
Hello. Were they in any industry like farming or manufacturing?
Mostly farming, but then after them lease the land to carriers to do tobacco planting, and then run out of business when the cigarette company started under fire. You remember few years ago, the cigarette company was under fire for smoking and
causing cancer and stuff. Yeah.
Like that.
But them write it on the box, you know.
Yeah.
Smoking can be dangerous to your health.
Right.
Cancer.
Mm-hmm.
So what the people still I know they enjoy.
So the company run out of business because they didn't make no money, no more for cigarettes. Yeah.
So they produce tobacco?
Yep, and then sell it to cigarette company.
Mm-hmm.
The sharp land over on this side. This side of the road goes straight, non-stop.
Like y'all got Frankfield.
Over this side is Mears.
Mears.
Trout Hall. It goes straight up to Bunkers Hill.
Oh, I never heard of Bunkers Hill. You never told me about there,
When
mommy.
you go roadside, you turn up on your left.
Oh, that's another community?
Yes. And you drive there, go Kenneth, and you drive there, go straight back into St. Catherine. Even
Hello. They have everything.
Hello.
You know him?
How you doing?
I'm good, you know who it is?
You know him?
One
You know Monday?
Why you have to take a picture of the camera?
do I play
Ex-boyfriend?
do I have to go start?
Yeah.
Steve, you know that woman?
We ask me, you know, here, we ask me if you know who it is. You know.
Sure, so much straight on the camera.
Look good, look good.
He text me, so come look for you.
Who?
He text me, so I must come and see you.
I'm a cousin to you. My cousin.
Sharon Henry.
So wait, he's a sharp too?
No, yeah, it's sharp.
Like this
How you
is sharp?
doing?
I'm looking at you.
Oh, girl.
Hello.
That's my
How
daughter.
you doing?
Good.
Good.
So you couldn't be out your color.
Oh my God.
But we still have similar features. The
You want to
features.
hear about this? You want to hear about this?
Yeah.
How much is this?
850.
Sharp.
Yeah, that are the Swaby.
Yeah.
Yes, but we know, because most of the land up on that side is our Suwi sharp land. And land up where like Shelly, because Shelly they were sharp, you know. And my cousin them, you know. Where I work on the house, the man,
Yeah.
yes, at the same shop.
And my sharp too.
Yeah man, one set of family.
So,
Same grandfather and my grandfather, our brother.
oh really?
So we are near family.
So yeah, it looked like the original shop was. I feel them cane. I feel them cane is a go up now.
Yeah.
Shop
No,
cane.
that is a private.
It's a private man.
Yeah.
And you know because of the truck.
No man, shop can't finish. The private. This one is a private one. Then they're coming from down Penance. Even though shop have cane down a Penance.
Yeah, that
But see
Janet
one,
that tell me.
yeah man, see one.
Reap already.
Yes. And the whole are up here, so reap already too.
Oh, so for the season, for the year.
Yes.
So how often they would I reap that now?
Every year.
Just once a year?
Yeah.
Oh. Cause I
Start
will.
from March
Oh.
until them finish.
Oh. So you know people who work with them?
We do a shop.
With the shop?
A lot of people.
Oh.
Around the surrounded here. Even
Yeah.
my brother work with them. We used to work with them in about years. And I work with them in Dutch.
Oh. So this shop.
Yes, Andrew, Wagwan.
This.
Huh? Alright, do your thing, do your thing.
So the black sharps them are probably related to the white sharps through slavery.
Yes, because you want the black sharp them mix.
Oh, some of them
brown.
mix. Oh.
Some my mother brown, you know?
Yeah.
So you see why me have brown from because both mother and father
Brown.
very good. My mother's side of people, some brown, some dark. So it's a mixture. But you don't call everybody a brown sharp. But them are the property here is a white sharp. We are the brown color, them are the white color.
Oh.
So in all of them places I did for sharp. Place, all of everything. All I did everywhere. You understand? And them did make like the workers them make you know, some little house. See the people. See them right
Oh,
there?
they still have them, so look up like
so
for the work.
The estate house for the workers. So you know, people come and hear them come from different places. So them just come here, come build them.
Build them up. Right, yeah. So that's what happened with our grandfather,
Yes,
your
yes,
grandfather,
yes.
my great grandfather.
Yes.
Cause I St. Elizabeth, mommy saying come from originally.
Yeah, that's
come work with them.
Yes.
And then, like you said, they just come here and build their
when we
family.
go, people always ask me if we come from St. Elizabeth.
Oh, really?
So I always ask me if I'm brown people alone come from St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
When we go to St. Elizabeth, the amount of black people when we see. Me always I tell them that. Say, you're not from.
Yeah. So,
I tell the mother, say, you put my mind on my daughter, you're afraid.
Me?
My second daughter. I see her where she look.
Really?
Only that pass the sister.
Oh, wow.
Family can't hide.
Oh, wow.
Only thing, she may a little bit lighter skin. Little bit lighter
Oh.
skin. I saw you do it. Yeah, man, you're stiff like a board. Walk on the corridor, go on. Good evening, sir.
What's up?
I'm here. Me tell you with me share, me socialize.
You know everybody, man.
You see, I know that you can't live for yourself alone. Oi! Don't must, can you not see me and me I see you? Alright, sir. Alright, sir. Yeah, man. I hear me born and grow shy. Me a stranger. You understand? My granny live up there, so. My granny live down here, so. That's where me show where Lance live. You know Lance?
Yeah, yeah.
And there's some my granny live. And my next granny live. That a flurry. There's so my two granny there, same place at Trout.
Yeah. You go back generations.
Mother and father.
Born here.
Yeah, so I hear me don't know no else. Me can't point and tell us you understand? I hear some me know. I hear some me can know all of my family. But we granny, I want to look up pretty this woman, you know.
I know, I heard.
Me and him name plan Gungwa line, you know.
What?
Me and him name plan Gungwa line.
What's that mean?
We are a friend.
Oh, really?
Me not pass no call to her, you know.
Yeah.
But I know
But you're not into her like that?
No, I never make up a tea.
Yeah. From what I remember about her, she was very stern.
Yeah, and she
serious.
Me tell her how she operate. She operate as if she better off than
Not everybody.
Yes. And she always try to antisocial with the people them around her, kids them with it, because guess what? If you pitney them a white pitney them
brown,
call them
brown.
Color pitney
high
them.
color
So,
pitney.
yes. So and the same place that she come from.
I'm black like me, yeah.
Exactly.
Skin
Your
dark.
your complexion. She never really black it.
Black in, but she have like
complexion.
my complexion.
So, but she did antisocial with them putty. So through that, as gone to she, I never have no relationship, so I never really know the background on my father's side. Like how I know the background
On your mother's side.
And since me big Shari, me I realize what is going on. You understand?
And then Uncle Phil them are no father. Them are no father. They just
him no mind me no. Him never in my life, you know.
Mm-mm.
Sometimes I ask why when me look and see when Phil did that, me jump round. Can me jump round, you know?
Yes, you did.
When
Yes,
in
you
hospital,
did.
you know, me jump round, you know. Taking clothes, go wash and do everything. You know? Remember, you know, then he never mind me. At 2 hours, you know. My mother have him, you know, but by growing and growing, we realize, say, he need that one, not look like him. So, but he have a name that I'm my next brother. For me favor. Where me follow. Felix. Him live on a
Oh, Felix, right,
yes.
right. Mm-hmm.
And my brother, I know, I
Felix is older?
Yes.
So he would be the first one.
Yes.
And you know, might need a one owner.
No, sir.
I don't know how I'm to them, sir. I don't know what is wrong with them. And to how Granny seemed like she did proud and stuff.
Yes, and
you would have think she would have grown them feet.
No, you want to how for me knowledge and what me get when me a little pit I grow up. He say, my mother never. I know the quality where she a look for she son. But at the same time, if you say my mother, your mother can't tell her. My mother is one pretty woman, just like Pepsi, because my mother and Pepsi mother. The guy way up there with a sister.
A sister.
So Pepsi and my cousin, you know.
Oh,
We
okay.
are two sisters.
Okay.
So them the two color, them the two proud. You know them peacock, they were proud. And so true that she never my cup of tea. So me not going at the corner. I see her at my past, good morning, Miss Flurry, good evening, Miss Flurry. And me gone about my business. But me never really in a them way. Karen and Adrian them grow over there. Which me and them always still, and me and Karen, we grow together, we have a good relationship together growing up. We go to the same school and everything. Have the same name, we born the same month. You understand?
Yeah.
So we did have a relationship.
Oh,
yeah.
That's good. And then Mommy was much older.
Yeah. Mommy and Femis had a set of cousin them. We grew same place down Orlando. Them are all of them a company and them up in them.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understand?
Because you have a cousin named
like,
Gay. That's Mommy's good friend.
Yeah, man,
Angelie and them
yes,
also.
Yes, and Sharon.
Yeah, Sharon and the next
that's
Sharon.
a Pepsi sister.
Yeah. I always hear about Sharon.
Yeah, man, a Pepsi sister that. So
Yeah.
it's a little community where everybody mix up. You understand? Everybody mix up. So everybody related in some form or way.
Through the history.
Related by, so my mother had shop, my father had sweet. Now that I realize my grandmother had chambers.
We should go back to Granny Flurry again because she had chambers.
And when my pregnant have my first baby, the man when my breed for chambers.
Oh wow.
But I know my fault. Because I never have a relationship with my father's side.
Yeah.
So I don't know nothing about them. Only thing I know say my mother had shop and my father.
Yeah.
That's sweet. That's all I know. I don't know nobody. So then carry out, they box them on. The tractor take the box.
Oh.
Like a trailer.
Oh.
And carry the box them out in the field.
Oh.
So you don't have much ugly food again like that.
So these trailers, they don't have wheels on them. How do they move?
Tractor pull them.
Oh. Somebody's growing something right here, right?
The machine that wash the ugly. This is the machine. So you unload the ugly.
May I come, sir?
So you take picture of the donkey. The fruits. You see the box? Them there? That's what they throw in there. And wash.
Oh, this is where they wash it?
Yeah, so when are good, then pick it out. And what good, it go down.
Oh. So after they're washed?
After they wash, they dry. And they wrap it in a the wrapping paper.
Female and male bathroom,
Yeah. That was the office. They're not using it again.
This was the office?
Yeah.
Whoa. Mommy. Wait.
You look, you don't see long out.
Mommy.
So
Mommy said, look for the donkey penis. I'm so sorry. I never seen a donkey penis before. He's so cute. He have a beautiful home. That's all sugar cane. All sugar cane. Wow.
One time I took sugar cane there, so no, you want we used to in and down.
Wow.
No, all we have in there too. We have someday we have a farm over there, you know, across the river.
You want one? We want a farm over there.
Plant banana planting and catch crap.
So how come you go over there?
A long time I don't go over there, ma. Do it have to go over there every day.
Oh, CJ, call me. I'm supposed to.
Yeah.
Oh, CJ. We're gonna go walk in our ambush over here, but we'll come back out from the main. Right, where then? Right in that. Oh, we're there over the ugly farm. We'll come now. Yeah, up the road, look like you go towards Frankfield. Yeah. Where the ugly farm, there we'll come out. No, come out of the bush. Oh, really? Really? Mm-hmm. This is the best day of my life. This view. Whoa. God is good. May I come, sir?
So you unload the ugly?
May I come, sir? Yeah? We're there right here, someone, right to the corner, like you go up a scheme, back road. Right after the bus shed, like you know, we turn off, we go back up a scheme. You know. Yeah, you know, you would have turned to go up a scheme. They're right there, sir. Wait a step. Yeah, you're so sweet, man. Come down. Where guy name will live as a CJ, look through it. Mommy, CJ, I pick way up. I know wait, pound. I must see him this. Yes, you see me? Oh, see him there, man. I see him there. Alright, so we are going to Frankfield. Where we come back? Mommy, you can't go and just go up. True, you were busy talking with your friend. You never got the update. That was beautiful. It's beautiful over there, guys. It's an amazing view. Alright.
You're not going
I make somebody go around the back. I'm going to jump out when I reach over there. Drop down. Just drop down and see the man. Alright.
This long and I cross, amigo.
Sorry, look, you see something pin it up. You see, Charlie?
It's a cliff.
Let's go over there. Look around at the back. Look.
Not this?
No, back of your hand. Run it.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna do like just
You squeeze it some on your side.
squeeze it. Oh, squeeze. Okay, that makes sense. Got it. Okay. Oh.